video, I'm going to show you how you can have a video on your platform and you are talking about that particular video. I don't know if you understand what I mean, but if you don't, by the time I finish with this tutorial, you will understand. Like if somebody is dancing and you want to do a talking video concerning that dance, that's what I mean, right? Some people don't know how to achieve that. So this is what this video is all about. So if you want to know how, don't scroll, give me a follow, like, save, and share the video to 3 of your followers. Now guys, let's go and I'm gonna show you. So record a video where you'll be talking about the other video. What you need to do, the very first step is go to your platform and click on home, which is this one here. I'm gonna bring down the volume anyway. So now when you click on home, click on the record button, which is that particular one. And at this point, you're going to click on the effect. Yeah. So when you click on effect, click on view all effects. And you see this search icon here. Click on it and type up here that it says search. Type in green screen. But remember, the green screen that you want here is the video green screen, which is the one top there. It says green screen video. Select that particular one. Now, when you select it, you can see the way it is. You're going to go ahead and select the video that you want to use for this project, right? So what you need to do, go to your album here and click on that. So all the videos you have in your gallery, they're going to show. Now, when the video show, select the particular video that you want to use, okay? Now, I'm going to go ahead and select this video. Now, you can see the video is there. So now you click on next. So when you click on next, right, it's processing the video. Now, when it's done processing the video, I'm going to show you another thing that you would have to do. Okay, now give it time. It's gonna take a little bit of time, but it's not long. It's gonna finish processing. Yeah, so it's almost there. 64% is almost there. So if you are finding value in this video, please give me a follow, comment, like, save, and share the video, and share to other people so that they can see the video. Okay, right, so now it is there. You can see that the video we added is behind while my talking video is in front. So now at this point, what do? You're gonna put your finger and pinch on your talking video, right? So pinch on it and make it smaller. You can see you can move it around to any position that you want. Let's say I want to leave it up here, okay? So I leave it up here. And now when you leave it up here, you go ahead and click on record. You start recording. Now, as the video is there, you're going to be talking about the video, okay? Now, let me click on record. So this is it, guys. This video here, you can see the way it's working. I am recording the video and I am showing you how to do the green screen while the video is there, and I'm also talking. So this is it, guys. And when you're done recording, you click on the check here. You can see the check. Don't forget, you can move yourself around. You can bring it down here. You can put it on the left. You can put it up there, anywhere that pleases you. So when you're done, you go ahead and you click on the check, and boom, that is it. You can see. So this is it, guys. I just go ahead and you click on text on screen, add your text on screen. If you want to add captions, you add your caption. Then you click on next, you go to the next page. Now on the next page, you add your description, add your hashtag. If you want to mention any page or any handle, you mention the person, and then you go ahead and you post your video. Yeah, so this is it. Okay, so you can see that is how to do that. And yeah, so it's very easy. And if you find value in this video, please give me a follow, comment, like, save, and share the video. Until next time, you're welcome.